Simplifying ratio. In this video, you are going to learn how to simplify ratios. Let's see an example. Peter bought 4 oranges and 6 apples from the supermarket, and his mother asks him to find the ratio of oranges to apples. To express this as a ratio, you have to write number of oranges, number of apples. Here, you have 4 oranges and 6 apples. So, the ratio will be 4 to 6. Now, you are asked to simplify this ratio. How will you do that? To simplify a ratio, identify the highest common factor of both numbers and divide them by that factor. Continue this process until the numbers are in their simplest form, with no common factors other than 1. In our example, the highest common factor for 4 and 6 is 2. So, you need to divide them by 2. 4 divided by 2 equals 2, and 6 divided by 2 equals 3, and the ratio will be 2 to 3. Since there are no common factors for 2 and 3 except 1, it is the simplest form of the ratio. The ratio of oranges and apples is 2 to 3. Let's see another example. Write 12/16 in its simplest form. First, we have to find the highest common factor of the two numbers, 12 and 16, which will be 4. So, let's divide both the numbers by 4. 12 divided by 4 equals 3, and 16 divided by 4 equals 4, and the ratio will be 3 to 4. Since there are no common factors for 3 and 4 except 1, it is the simplest form of the ratio. The simplified answer of 12 to 16 is 3 to 4.